You can feel it coming on, that tingling sensation that tells you a cold sore blister is about to erupt. There is nothing you can do to stop it, which just adds to your stress level. Scientists are still searching for a cold sore cure, but now you can get natural homeopathic relief from the painful symptoms of cold sore eruptions. With Herpesit, a very special homeopathic blend of 9 ingredients, each known to safely reduce the discomfort caused by symptoms of cold sores. Homeopathic patients have been using these separate ingredients in Herpesit to treat single symptoms cold sores for decades. But our experts have chosen a blend of these natural ingredients to help relieve a wider variety of symptoms in one easy-to-use spray application. Finally, safe, homeopathic relief is here. Herpesit relieves swelling, stinging, burning, itching, inflammation, and pain. Click the link in the description below to claim your trial bottle.